Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to design this beautiful band. It looks like complicated and hard to design, but you're gonna see this is a very simple design to make. It's beautiful and really simple to make. So let's dive in. So for this band, we're going to have size 6.5. It's there already. Oh, I forgot to do the plane. We're gonna do plane 2.5 millimeters. And on the plane, we're going to do a 3.5 millimeter diamond. 3.5 diamond there. Now, we're gonna get this diamond and we're going to duplicate around OY. And let's see how many you can get. Maybe one more. There, 19. So now we're going to get this plane and we're going to make a shape curve that goes around here. Let's fix this curve a little better to look nice. Okay, I think that's good. If it's not, we'll come back here and fix it around there. Okay, now we're going to get this curve and bring the whole curve a little out. About here, I think it's good. Let me freeze these stones so you have a better visual. We're going to bring, I believe, about here. That's okay. So now we're not going to move those tips because they are about where I want them to be. We're going to move with this tool here, we're going to move the points. So where they cross over, it's going to be around here. So let's bring this curve inside, like so. And this one you can leave like that. Let's run a pipe and see how it's going to look. Pipe, we're going to do round. For here, I want to be a strong pipe. So let's do 0.9. And we're going to make rounded on both ends. I think it's looking good. There. Now, we get this shape and we're going to multiply on OY and you're going to find right there. Right there. Wow, I think we got right perfect. So the size, it's important to look at the size. This little bit that's coming in, it compensates for this little bit that's missing. So we're good. It's a good size for the stones. I'm gonna bring maybe a little bit the curve, a little bit out, everything out, just a bit. Run again. I think it's good. And for us, give a little more room for casting and polishing. Let's put this up a little. Make a taller prong for the setter. I think it's nice. I'm gonna see it's getting a little ball here. If we bring this slightly in, I think it's gonna fix our problem. There we go. That's what I want. Well, guys, I think everything else we don't need to touch. Go out of here and you're gonna get this whole shape and make a mirror. Actually, I'm gonna move a little bit more. I think this stone is showing too much. Let me move a little bit more my curve. Let's click OK, recompute. Better, better. And maybe we could go here a little bit out. Let's see how it's gonna look if you go a little out. Tiny bit. Yes, much better because this much will protect the stone a little better. So I like it. Let's get out of here. Bring the stones out. Yes, looking good. Now you see that our shape is running this way and this one too, this way. And I want them to be crossing in different patterns. So we're gonna go over here and do a mirror on this plane, okay? So now let's come over here and hide the first one mirror that we did. And now we'll see that one comes this way and another that way. That's what I want. Beautiful. Now, I want to run a round pipe inside to make this bend strong. We're going to go and get a round profile, and we're going to make this profile 1.2 to be strong. Nice. Very good. Now we're going to get the stones. Not gonna go cut through. And over here, let me freeze this and hide. Let's hide this. Freeze this because I want to make a little seat here for the setter. Have a guide. There. That's enough. We're gonna show this. Control down, click on the cutters, and you're gonna make a boolean. So now you see the setter will have some guidance there. Let's bring our shape back. And well, guys, as I said, this is an easy tutorial. So in few clicks, you have a band that is beautiful, looks very complicated, but as you saw, it's really, really simple. So I'm gonna go even for casting purpose. I'm gonna go a little bit high, lightly high here and here, so you have more room for polishing and finishing and everything. There we go, much better. Let's get out of here and let's hide this. And that's it, guys. See, it's something that looks so complex, so complicated. It's just a few clicks and you have a beautiful band like this one. So that's all for me today. And I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thank you for being with me this far. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.